Welcome everyone, this is John Shealy at I'mADayTrader.com. I'm going to take a few examples here in regards to the TradeStation attach OSO, and afterwards we're taking a place OCO order. Now we're looking at a 610 tick chart, but let's take a look at a different trade. Now the reason I'm giving the 610 chart is because we have more time. Let's say we have a trade that we're about to go down. So I'm going to put a short on.
Order filled.
And attach OS order has up top a buy stop. You can adjust your settings by moving it in the dome. Profit objectives. This is around 80, 79. So let's take an 81 and move this to 82. So as you can tell, I'm able to adjust in the dome on the attach OSO order. If prices fall down, this will then fill at 82 and it will cancel the stop above. If instead prices begin to fall and it hits the buy stop first, then it will cancel the profit objective. Let's see if prices move around just a little bit, then I'll show how you can adjust your stop losses, even potential your profit targets. Now let's say you tried to adjust your stop loss and you made a mistake and canceled that stop loss. Well, that's a problem because I now have, they're not attached. So there's a way you can actually do that. I'm currently short. I go ahead and cancel. So I have no open order at this time. You can now place OCO, order cancels order. Now I'm in a position, but now when I place OCO, it will place above a buy stop and a limit. Now notice the settings that I have, which I'll set on my chart, aren't based upon my entry, but it based upon the last trade. So if you do place the OCO when you already have a position on, that is based upon the last trade, not based upon your entry. So we'll move it again. We'll move that to around the 97 area, and we'll move again our profit objective around 82. So again, if you've made a mistake, you can just clear these out and place the OCO order, and you'll have one above, one underneath, and they are attached. Now, one of the mistakes I make every once in a while is, let's say I tried to move my profit target and I canceled again, and I pressed the wrong button. In other words, instead of place OCO order, if I basically put on the attach OSO order, then if I try to then put a sell stop, what happens is it now has both of these trades because I had the attached OSO order. So I would have to come in and cancel that last trade because that wasn't the type of trade that I was looking for. So I cancel it. Need to cancel that again and place the OCO order again. So it's a common mistake that you press the wrong button to put a sell or a buy, and it attaching the OSO order when you've already done that previously. And as always, if you wanted to just cancel the trade, you don't like what's happening here in price, you can always have the ability to close the trade. Now this means it's going to go at market and it's going to cancel the buy stop, cancel the limit, and go at market. Let me show you an example. Close.
Order filled.
So again, as we're talking about the TradeStation matrix, when you enter an order, attach the OSO, hit either sells or buys, it will automatically place a buy stop and a sell stop, which can be adjusted. If you made a mistake, you may cancel both. Go ahead and cancel the attach OSO and click on the OCO order. Now, you cannot place the OCO order unless you already have a position. So notice I have no position here, so I can't click on the OCO order. If you do take a trade, you need to attach the OSO order. So it's fairly simple, and I hope to get used to trading it. And of course, we'll talk about chart trading at a different video. This is John Shealy at I'mADayTrader.com.